So in the previous video, we saw how we can create the repository on github.com online. Now in this video, we will see how we can set up the repository on local and how we can push the data on this repository. So first of all, we need to go to this repository URL and just click on code, and on the HTTPS, just copy the URL and now open the GitHub folder. So I have created one folder in var www.html demo kit, and let's open the terminal. And in this terminal, we just need to copy this URL and just go to this terminal and type git clone and paste that URL, then space dot for the current folder. So once you click on this, once you enter this command, you will see the files are loaded into your local host. Now what you need to do, if you want to push anything on this server, so you just need to edit file. So for example, we just edit this file. So in this index.php, add some text like test and add some more text. Okay, so once you add the text, you can check modified file using git status command. So here you can see when you enter the git status command, you will see the modified file. So if you want to see the difference, like what has been modified in this index.php file, so you can type git diff and then the file name. So you can see we have deleted this test and we have added this test content. So here you can see the difference of the file. Now again type git status. Now add the file into the git commit. So for that you need to add git add index.php, then enter. Now check the file if added to your commit or not, git status. So you can see now file is added to your commit. So once you will save the commit, the file will be added into your commit. So let's save the commit. So what you need to do, you just need to type git commit -m and then type your commit message, updated index file. So here you can see the file is commit with the message. Now you can check with git status. So here you can see your branch is ahead of origin main by one commit because you have added one commit but you have not pushed it on your server. So for pushing it on your server, you need to just write git push origin main. Here you need to add your credentials. So just space username then password. Now once you're done with this command, you can see it pushed your commit on the server. So let's check on the server. So just refresh this file. Okay, you can see the 1 minute ago we have just added one commit. So using this method, you can commit your changes on the Git server. So in the next video, we will see like how you can create multiple branches and how you can update your branch with the main branch.